In recent years, cryptocurrency has transitioned from a niche asset class to a mainstream investment option. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance have become household names for buying, selling, and trading digital currencies. However, traditional trading platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and Webull have also entered the crypto market, aiming to provide users with a seamless experience for trading both traditional assets and cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at whether Webull supports cryptocurrency trading, the features it offers, and how it compares to other platforms. What is Webull? Webull is a commission-free trading platform launched in 2018. Known for its robust charting tools, user-friendly interface, and zero-commission trading, Webull has quickly gained popularity among both beginner and advanced traders. While the platform initially focused on stocks and ETFs, it has since expanded to include options, margin trading, and cryptocurrencies. Webull's goal is to provide an all-in-one trading experience for investors who want access to a diverse range of financial instruments. Does Webull offer cryptocurrency trading? Yes, Webull does offer cryptocurrency trading. The platform added crypto trading to its suite of services in 2020, allowing users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Webull's crypto trading feature is integrated into its main platform, making it convenient for existing users who already trade stocks, ETFs, and options. Here are some of the key details about Webull's cryptocurrency offerings. Supported cryptocurrencies. Webull supports a variety of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Dogecoin, Doge, Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Cardano, ADA, Shiba Inu, Shibi, Solana, SOL. The list of supported cryptocurrencies is regularly updated, so users may find additional options as Webull expands its offerings. Trading hours. Unlike traditional stock markets, which operate during specific hours, cryptocurrency trading on Webull is available 24/7. This round-the-clock trading aligns with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies and allows users to respond to market changes at any time. Fees. Webull offers commission-free crypto trading, but it does charge a spread fee. This fee is typically 1% of the transaction amount, which is competitive compared to other platforms. The spread fee is built into the price of the cryptocurrency, so users won't see it as a separate charge. Minimum investment. Webull allows fractional cryptocurrency trading, meaning users can invest as little as $1 in their preferred digital asset. This feature makes cryptocurrency accessible to beginners and those with smaller budgets. Custody and wallets. Webull does not provide private crypto wallets or allow users to withdraw cryptocurrencies to external wallets. Instead, all assets are held in custodial accounts managed by a third-party provider. This arrangement may be a drawback for users who prioritize full ownership and control of their crypto assets. How to trade cryptocurrency on Webull trading. Cryptocurrency on Webull is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up and verify your account. If you're new to Webull, start by creating an account and completing the identity verification process. Existing users can skip this step. Enable crypto trading. To trade cryptocurrencies, you'll need to enable the crypto trading feature in your account settings. This step may require additional verification. Deposit funds. Add funds to your Webull account using a bank transfer or other available funding methods. Note that Webull does not currently accept deposits in cryptocurrencies. Choose a cryptocurrency. Navigate to the crypto section of the app or desktop platform and browse the available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you wish to trade. Place a trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the transaction details. Webull supports market and limit orders for crypto trading. Monitor your investments. Use Webull's charting tools and market data to track the performance of your cryptocurrency investments. Pros of using Webull for cryptocurrency trading. Integrated platform. Webull's integration of crypto trading with stocks, ETFs, and options makes it a convenient option for investors looking to manage multiple asset classes in one place. Fractional trading. The ability to invest in fractional amounts lowers the barrier to entry, allowing users to start with as little as $1. User-friendly interface. Webull's intuitive design and advanced charting tools make it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate the platform. 24/7. Trading. Cryptocurrency trading on Webull is available around the clock, providing flexibility for users in different time zones. No commissions. Webull's commission-free model makes it an affordable choice for cryptocurrency trading. Cons of using Webull for cryptocurrency trading. Limited crypto options. While Webull supports popular cryptocurrencies, its selection is smaller compared to dedicated crypto platforms like Coinbase or Binance. No wallet support. Users cannot transfer cryptocurrencies to external wallets, limiting their ability to use digital assets outside the platform. This lack of wallet support also means users don't have full ownership of their crypto. Spread fees. Although Webull doesn't charge commissions, its spread fees can add up over time, particularly for frequent traders. No advanced trading features. Webull's crypto trading capabilities are relatively basic. Advanced traders may miss features like margin trading, staking, or access to decentralized finance, DeFi tools. How does Webull compare to other platforms? To determine whether Webull is the right choice for cryptocurrency trading, it's helpful to compare it to other popular platforms. Webull versus Coinbase. Coinbase. Known for its beginner-friendly interface and extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, Coinbase also offers private wallets and staking options. However, its fees are higher than Webull's. Webull. Ideal for users who prioritize stock and crypto trading in a single platform. It's more cost-effective but lacks advanced crypto features. Webull versus Robinhood. Robinhood. Like Webull, Robinhood offers commission-free crypto trading but doesn't provide wallet support. Its crypto selection is slightly smaller than Webull's. Webull offers better charting tools and a more comprehensive trading experience. Webull versus Binance. Binance, a leading crypto exchange with an extensive range of digital assets, advanced trading tools, and DeFi integration. However, its complexity may overwhelm beginners. Webull, simpler to use and better suited for those who want to trade both crypto and traditional assets without switching platforms. Is Webull right for you? Webull's cryptocurrency trading feature is a great option for users who want a simple and affordable way to invest in digital assets. Its integration with stock and ETF trading makes it particularly appealing to those who prefer an all-in-one platform. However, advanced crypto traders or those who prioritize full ownership of their digital assets may find Webull's offerings limiting. Ultimately, the decision to use Webull for cryptocurrency trading depends on your investment goals, experience level, and need for advanced features. For casual investors and beginners, Webull provides an accessible and user-friendly way to dip a toe into the world of cryptocurrency. Please subscribe and hit the like button.